Hello and welcome to Travels with Shane and Matt. I'm Shane.
I'm Matt.
And today is Friday and tomorrow morning we're going on a cruise and we're going to...
Tenerife.
Yeah. Madeira.
La Palma and
Fuerteventura. And we're going on P&O Azura again. So that's the one we went on earlier in the year with Matt's mum and Auntie Dora. And this time it's just the two of us, staying in the same cabin type.
Same floor, further back.
Yes. We've just arrived at the Clayton Hotel in Manchester, so we'll do a quick room tour of this. And then we've got a 3 a.m. phone call, alarm call for a 6 a.m. flight. So we're going to get an early night. We've got couple of books to read. The idea of this holiday, I think, is to do a lot of rest, isn't it?
Yes.
We booked this because it was cheaper than doing a week all-inclusive in a Canary Island. So, let's go.
On.
We'll see you in the morning. Night-night! And here we are, it's 3:30 in the morning. We've officially not slept, but we're going. Here we are at check-in. Queues aren't bad. It's now 4:15 and we've checked in, we're through security. We went to the new security type of thing where you basically don't take anything out of your bag. You don't need a clear plastic bag for liquids or anything, you just put it all in and then you straight through. It literally took 2 minutes. Matt, of course, needed his bag rescanning because every time this boy is suspicious. You must be, because it's every time. I don't think we've ever come to the airport and you haven't been stopped. So he's obviously very untrustworthy. Oh, it's just sensory overload at an airport. I'll talk loud actually because we've got Christmas music on and thank you Matt for trying to cover it. And we don't want any copyright. There's loads of different options here. There's a pub, a restaurant, a Wagamama's, a Seven Brothers. And then downstairs you've got all your shops, WH Smith, Boots, and all your duty free. It's now 5:20 and we're heading to gate A6. Matt doesn't want to go on the moving floor. Look, I saw him having to walk to keep. And here we go. A total of 50 minutes late. But we're on. So in the air, we've hit the jackpot. No one in the middle seat. So look at this sunrise. We're now 3 hours into the flight. And we're reading this new book called The Hike. -3 when we left, so we've got a 27-degree increase in 4 hours. And we're on the bus, and this one's just coming in now, a Ryanair one.
More Brits.
Yeah, more Brits abroad. Fingers crossed. Only 11:10 and we're through. Just need to find the bus to the port. Hopefully it'll be easy. And there's a lady with P&O. Very easy for us. Straight to the bus. I don't know how far it is from the airport to the bus, to the ship, but we'll soon see. We're nearly at the port, and there's a very, very dark cloud over the mountains. So we're just going to go through security, then check in, and then hopefully we're on. We are okay to board. It's only 12:20, so done that in very good time. Here we are. Do-do-do-do. This is nice to have. And our cruise cards have got a little Santa and reindeer. So we're going to go to the muster station and then get some luncheon because Matt is hangry.
Ravenous.
Ravenous, aren't you, Matt?
Yeah.
So we're going to head up there now. This is the current view from our balcony. We're going to head to the muster because our printer isn't working. So it didn't print out properly, as you can see. That's supposed to be a proper QR code. So that's why we've had to come and get our actual cruise card before we can check in properly. Hello. So it's now about 5:20. Because we've been up since 3 AM, we've not done masses since we've got on the ship. To be fair, we've hardly done anything. Matt unpacked. I went and had a sauna and a steam room to try and help clear my sinuses because I've had a cold for 12 days. And it was beautiful. There was nobody in there, so it was very quiet. And we're now just debating where to go for dinner. So it's either going to be the restaurant or I want to go to the Glass House because it was amazing, the steak, when we came in September. And then we're going to just go to the show at 8:30, and then I think we're going to probably just come to bed at about 9:15 and read. There is a Mein Schiff, which is the German TUI, and the moon just over. And the atrium is all decked out for Christmas. Matt's letting me have my own way for once, actually. So we're going.
Very rude and very unnecessary.
So we are going to the Glass House. We've just been down there for a drink, and I can only describe the waitress as the jolliest person I've ever met. We literally started for 10 minutes, had a quick drink, and then we've come outside because we're booked in for 10 minutes. And she was like, "Bye, darlings, bye," and just waving goodbye to us. So we're just watching this weird ferry, Fred Olsen Express, setting off. And then we're heading back in. Here's the Glass House menu. We think we're going to go for the curried scallops, popcorn chicken and lamb skewers for starter. And then this is the main. I can't decide, there's about 7 that I want, if I'm honest. And then desserts. So apologies, I didn't get any footage of the meal, but it was absolutely gorgeous. And we're now in the theatre, about to watch On the Horizon. I don't think we've seen this one. Matt thinks we have, but I'm not sure. We finished in the theatre, and we will give this Headliners Theatre Company their credit. This is one of the best teams we've seen. All of the singers were very, very good, and yeah, very, very impressed. So looking forward to the rest of the week with them. We've come back now, and we're gonna chill, read a book, maybe watch a bit of telly, and then hit the hay. Here's Tenerife on a night. We have been up since 3 o'clock, mate, you're not wrong. I always like cities on a night. So, good night. I'll see you in the morning.